Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add logo to your video in Capcut. So here I've already added a video to my Capcut and I want to add a logo to this video. So first, if you want to add a logo, you need to prepare your logo first. And if you want to, you can save your logo in PNG, and also so that the background will not be there. So here just click on overlay and add overlay and choose your logo right here. So this is my logo. You can adjust it until the end of the video like this, and then you can adjust the position. I'm going to make it small. Just pinch it like this, and then you can place it at the top like this, and then when you play, the video will always be there. And you can also use splice if you want to make like the logo not too obvious. You can make it like this. For example, let's see the result. So you can make it transparent like that. So I'm going to just choose this one, and if you're satisfied with the result, just click on this to download the video. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.